What did we discuss, or what did I try to explain you today is shown in this slide. You should be able to discuss diagnostic test characteristics. So you should be able to explain what sensitivity, specificity, positive predictive value, negative predictive value means, and likelihood ratios, positive and negative likelihood, how this is calculated. Please remember, likelihood ratios are calculated by dividing sensitivity by 1 minus specificity. And sensitivity and specificity were considered as the what? As the technical features of a test, whereas predictive values, positive and negative predictive value, were considered as the clinical precisions of a test. Then you should be able to discuss pre and post-test probabilities and their use with a Fagan's nomogram or with an online calculator, or using the formula proposed by Bayes. Next, you should be able to discuss QUADAS-2, what it is and for what purpose we use QUADAS-2, how many domains it has. It has 4 domains plus applicability, 4 plus 1, we could say. Okay, and lastly, the ROC analysis. What was the purpose of ROC analysis? ROC analysis is helping us to find the best cut value. If we have a continuous measurement, if we have a numerical measurement, and we would like to know which cut level, which measurement is the best to achieve a high sensitivity together with a high specificity, the highest possible sensitivity plus specificity levels, which was calculated in our examples with the likelihood ratio, but there are other possible ways to calculate, like I have shown in the Excel document, the Youden index. So that was all for today. I hope you can benefit from this presentation, and I wish to see you to meet you in other occasions. Take care. Bye-bye.